everyone. Do you hide your cracked heels by wearing long trousers? Do you feel embarrassed by being barefooted in front of everyone? Not anymore. Now you have this magical home remedy to cure your cracked heels and wear your favorite stilettoes confidently. For this you need olive oil, alum and lemon juice. Smear olive oil on your cracked heels a night before, rub it for few minutes and then wear cotton socks. Next day, take warm water in a small tub and pour a tablespoon of alum powder and lemon juice into it. Soak your heels into this solution for 5 minutes. The warmth of this water will channelize your blood flow properly. Now extract dead skin from your heels while rubbing it with plastic scrub. Rub it clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Rub warm olive oil for 5 minutes until it gets absorbed completely. Hope this remedy benefits you in staying beautiful and young. To know more home remedies, subscribe to our channel or you can visit our website www.sanjeevnitv.com, that is www.sanjeevnitv.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter or Google+. For further query, you can mail us at mail@sanjeevnitv.com. Be natural, stay beautiful, adopt a healthy lifestyle and take a pledge to eat well, stay active and feel beautiful. Let's together make beautiful you.